Hey,
Hey,
we got a box.
damn it. This is a good length, but it's too thick. Oh, you got that on video?
I do. So,
Ow!
I have the power to inflict pain on other people via objects. So anyway, we got a box in. Well, guess what's inside? It's something that can get exploded. Kind of like, you know, those flying objects over, you know, the U.S. and Alaska and whatnot. But, like this, it gets exploded at mid-pond. Because if you drive like me at mid-pond, you know, well, because you know how I drive and because I'm a complete idiot, I'm hell on body kits. So I got another one. Oh God. So I bought this kit off eBay. And it's Urus styling, which I've been trying to get another Urus kit ordered, but nobody really wants to work with nobody. So yeah.
Speaking of work.
Just look at that. Man. Not bad for an eBay kit. You know, because the backside of this thing is pretty damn terrible, but it's supposed to be like a Urus replica, which I'm cool with because, again, I've got another Origin on order, but yeah, so this will do for Spring Break Bash, and I'm gonna do and put carbon fiber backing on all of it to give it some extra rigidity and let it kind of hold together a little bit better. But I mean, all in all, man, it's not a bad kit. I'll know more once I actually like get it fitted up and check it out. But I also have new fenders ordered, and we're going to do some carbon work with them and make it look kind of cool. But with that being said, it's not bad quality. It can't be any worse than that. So again, thank you guys for watching, and see y'all next video.